Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and we have a little more details on the T-Mobile hack. That is a very serious hack that happened a couple of weeks ago, and this is something that you need to make sure that you check out your credit details if it ever happens. T-Mobile, of course, information that was hacked is a lot of personal data. So in there, there's the names, address, phone numbers, social security numbers, date of birth, T-Mobile prepaid pins, and driver license ID information. So it's a lot of stuff that can be used to actually have hackers, just decide that they try to pass as you are. So they will fake that you are, the customer, and they can do a lot of things. They can actually ask for credit and all sorts of things. Now, I've had some people ask me if the credit card information or any information for payments was disclosed in this hack. So T-Mobile says that the customer financial information, credit card information, debit or other payment information were not in the details of the hack. So that means they don't have your credit card, they don't have stuff like that, they don't have payment information. That probably was in a separate place. So this is the sixth major data breach of T-Mobile, which is, it almost kind of tells you that the company is careless about its security and the security of its users. I mean, come on, sixth. This is awful, and this is crazy. So basically, in 2018, there was info belonging to millions of T-Mobile customers that were accessed. In 2019, there were prepaid customer data access. In 2020, there were two hacks. One was gain access to T-Mobile employee email accounts. The other one was exposed customer proprietary network information, so phone numbers, call records, stuff like that. And, in February of this year, they targeted 400 customers in SIM swap attacks, gaining access to the internal T-Mobile application. So this is nuts, and this is, something that is really sad. T-Mobile says that the hackers used brute force to get into the network. So what they did, they actually were able to gain access to what is testing or developer inside networks, basically. So the testing environments or the places where they were already in. So now was, okay, how from here can I gain access to any other things? So they simply tried over and over again and gained access slowly to pretty much everything, with T-Mobile not even knowing. So once again, if you are a T-Mobile customer, make sure that you are careful. These people will target you with phishing scams. So there's going to be all sorts of very personalized information through email to try to make you think that this is real, because now they have all the personal details. There's the, of course, possibility of having credit taken from your in your name. So if you can block credit, that would be probably the number one thing to do, is to block the credit so that no one can actually, do anything. And you unblock if you need to actually ask for credit for something. And of course, don't forget, T-Mobile offers a couple of years of credit surveillance. So take that and make sure that you have your credit checked regularly to make sure nothing bad happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.